Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial. First of all, I would like to wish you all happy new year. I hope that you get all the prosperity, success and health in this year. So without any further ado, let's get started to our tutorial. So let me open my model and I import it on Maya and let it open. And as you can see, we have already imported, and along with this import we are seeing this nerve control. So what I will do is I will go to show button here and then I'll press none. Okay, it's all hidden right now. Now I will press again show and select these polygons. You will see only the polygons are now being shown. So now what I will do is select all this polygon mesh, and you can see the group is selected right now. So I will go to my custom shelf and delete history, and I will press Shift P to unparent, and I will delete this group, and again I will select all this mesh and group it, and again after that I will press history, freeze transform and center pivot. Now we will go to render settings and select a V-Ray as our main renderer, and after that I will go to render layers and I will create a new layer, and after that I will right click, create collection and mesh override. We will select all the meshes right here. And what I will do is in the collection filters I will select the shapes, then in the include I will type this asterisk or star button, which is number 8, pressed with a long shift key. Then I will press the select, it will select all my meshes, and then I will add. Okay, then I will create right click, shader override. I will create V-Ray X-Ray, press enter. Then I will go to my Windows node editor and I will clear this, and then I will press V-Ray MTL and I will select this, and I will middle mouse drag it into this override shader here, middle mouse and drag it. Okay, now I will press this I button over here. Okay, it will now activated. Now if I quickly press 4 and go to my attributes editor, if I quickly view in this in my V-Ray BFB, I can see it right now. Okay, so now the fun part begins. We will create this X-ray or holographic look. So in order to do that, I would import some maps, some textures or shaders, let's say. So press V-Ray Fresnel, make sure you use the texture version 1, and then V-Ray curvature, V-Ray curvature. Then I will import a ramp, then I will import a layered texture, layered shader and layered texture. Okay, now I will select this V-Ray material. I will rename it as V-Ray X-Ray. Okay, make sure that your self illumination is on. Okay, so before proceeding, I would like to change my color settings, my color management settings to ACES. So I will go to settings, preferences, and in the color management I will enable ACES. At this moment it is an sRGB, so I will use this OCIO config path, and here it is, my SS 1.2. I will select this config.oco and it will take some time. Okay, use OCIO configuration, let it take some time, and you will see here in the rendering space it will become ACES CG, right? As you can see, it has become SSCG. Now I will save this document, save this then I will go to my HSP, make sure. Okay, now ACES is done. So what I will do is go to my layered texture and I will import the V-Ray curvature first, like this, and I will delete this default one and then the V-Ray Fresnel. Alright, and make sure this AI curvature, the blend mode is in add. Alright, and then I will use the ramp, and in the ramp I will use the V ramp, and I will do the smooth and make sure it is inverted, right? And I will choose a cyan, cyan type of map, like this. Okay, now I will use this ramp in the opacity map. So add this layer texture to opacity map, right? And in the self illumination I will add this ramp here. Now we'll take a quick look. As you can see, we are getting this nice, X-ray type of look. So what I will do is I will add a denoiser so that our render don't take time. Our render won't take much time. Sorry for my bad English. I will add this, okay, and I will activate this render. Right, okay, as you can see, our denoiser is activated right now. It is looking as murky because the denoiser is, working progressively. Okay, so let's do some quick changes. So let me stop this. So what I will do is I will go to my V-Ray Fresnel right here in the attributes. I'll let it minimize. I will decrease the IO to 1.5. and I will go to my V-Ray curvature and I will make sure the size is around 0.2. The output color gamma is around 0.65. Max output color 2. Okay, output color again 0.55. all right, and let's take a quick look. Okay, now you're getting this nice, X-ray kind of effect. It's what you can do is you can play more in the material section. So what I will do is in the attributes I can adjust the opacity map here. If you see in the V-Ray Fresnel, the side color, if you can change the side color, you can see more variation. Okay, so again let's go to V-Ray FVB. Okay, so the front color is black, that's why you see this black kind of effect. Now if I use my ramp in here in the side color ramp, okay, now you will see more prominently. Let me zoom it. As you can see, it is more vibrant and more prominent because we are doing this facing ratio kind of effect. So remember that when you add a V-Ray curvature, the render time will significantly increase. So you must have a good computer. Mine is not good, that good computer, so it's very old, so my render times are very slow. So as you can see, it's looking nice. So here it is, and that's it. If you guys like this video, you can share and comment in the video. I will create next tutorial on V-Ray, very cool tutorial I am coming up with. So yeah, if you like this video, give a thumbs up, and bye bye, see you next time.